How to create and add characters in interactive story. Hey creators, welcome back to Storio. Every writer dreams of seeing their characters come to life visually. Now they can in Storio's interactive story creator tool, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. Once you publish your story, Storio tool goes to work. It scans your story and finds all the characters it can detect, then turns that into a neat list with names, descriptions, appearances, and any other unique details it can find. From there, you've got 3 ways to bring your characters to life. Option 1. Generate with AI. Storio auto-generates a custom image prompt based on your story and creates a character visual in anime style. Right now, Storio understands that my main character is a girl named Shira, an ambitious and beautiful young woman raised in a working-class family in Miami. That visual description looks good to me. Just need to make some tweaks. You can change the outfit, hair, vibe, whatever she or he is like in your imagination. Now I'll just click Generate, and boom, my protagonist Shira appears. Once you click Confirm, Storio will automatically remove the background so your character fits seamlessly into the scene you set later based on your storyline. Option 2. Upload your own. Got your own art? Just upload it, and just like that, your character is in. For best results on mobile screens, we recommend using an aspect ratio between 1:2 and 1:2.5. It'll fit nicely with your chosen background. Option 3 is to use the character library. Browse our built-in character gallery. Each one has an image, voice, and a short bio. You can choose to use both the character's image and preset voice, or just click Use Image if you want to set the voice later yourself. It's also a great option if you don't want to spend time creating every side character from scratch.
Hi, I want to share a story with you.
Hi, I want to share a story with you. Sometimes the quietest voices.
Hi, I want to share a story with you. Sometimes the quietest voices tell the loudest truth.
And that's it. In just a few steps, your story goes from words on a page to a living, breathing world filled with vivid characters. And with Storio's music, sound effects, and branching choices, your story will deliver an amazing experience for your audience. Try it out, and let your imagination take the lead.
How does Storio?